Hey guys, a quick one. I just thought I'd record something simple for you and reference it to an event that happened shortly. I know it's been a while since I made uh, a recording talking directly to you guys, but I thought this would be very much inspiring and interesting for you as someone who desires to create influence, to take a great look at yourself and think about what you're dreaming about. Is it big enough? Does it challenge you? Does it scare you? Does it make you want to become something else so that you achieve it? So this is what I mentioned during that event, and it's something that we are dreaming about. If you haven't yet watched the concert, take your time, go watch the concert and see what we have come up with. You may be inspired to do and dream much bigger than you have. And it's very important because if you are not dreaming big, then you are not yet an entrepreneur. You're not going to grow a business as you should grow it. So dream big. Let's get into it. Even if we do songs like "This Is Me," it's okay to be okay. I know we don't really feel that way even at this moment. Like there are some of us who do not feel like this is really me. The person that loves dancing, the person that loves singing. There is a way somehow we try to hide it from our family because if you are to face reality, we are at times considered like a lost cause, because most of the people that venture into these things, most times they end up not being able to support their families, and all that. So ideally, if this is to work for like everyone else, because I'm thinking of that young person, that 5-year-old who wants to become a dancer when they grow up. Like just think about that. The 5-year-old that wants to become a dancer when they grow up. We are trying to pave a way for them and make it easier for them so that later on, when they tell their parents that they want to become a dancer when they grow up, their parents can easily allow them to do that, just like they would allow them to become a doctor, an engineer, a pilot, all those things. So how do we do this? We try our level best to separate time to focus on professional things, things that will actually bring us the money, and we put it into this, So you who is watching, you're doing us like the biggest favor, like this is the best you can ever do for us and for anyone else who may wish to become like us. The fact is, the performing arts, however much we try not to make it a big deal, it's a big deal. If you don't watch us doing this, you're going to watch Netflix, you're going to watch Disney, you're going to watch like whatever channel it is, So the money that we make here, we are sending it abroad as opposed to sending it within. But imagine if we can make something like this, provide proper entertainment, things that are not offensive to people, that you can watch with your family. So it's basically that it's what we are trying to do, and it's what we hope that you who is watching is going to partner with us. You never know, you can donate, you can become a partner, you can become an investor, and we do this thing together.